there everybody, I'm Rap from Rap's Garage Shop, and to my left is my 97 bad boy. Of course, while I'm here, there's a screen in here. It's a witch's hat style screen, and that screens the oil going to the top end, and I'm going to check that while I'm here. I have this Jim's tool. The part number is 2233. You just put it on there like that. Put your socket on there. Want to give a good push down on your ratchet. Oh, and that is not coming off even with the tool. My next course of attack's my impact driver. I don't want to smack down too hard on this. I do have a really wide blade for this, but I could easily break the aluminum case, so I'm hoping I don't have to hit it too hard. I got a small hammer. Alright, I was able to get it after a couple hits. We'll have to get a new one since it's all damaged now. I'll get an O-ring while I'm at it. The good news is it's nice and clean. I don't see any metal or anything like that up in it. So I'll just clean this out and reuse it. Or better yet, I just may buy a new one. So this is a new O-ring and a new witch's hat filter. Even though the filter is new, I am going to clean it off with some brake clean. I did clean the spring. I'm going to clean it again and then just give this a little better clean. And then clean the cap better. I'm going to put a little O-ring grease on the O-ring and then get everything back in. So there's the O-ring with the grease. You can see the cap's all cleaned. There's that. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on these threads so when I take it apart next time it's not so tight to get out. Now you put the filter in. So when I went to put the new witch's hat filter in, I found out that it didn't fit. You can see there are two different sizes there. This one, the new one, was bigger. So I just cleaned the old one real good. There wasn't anything in it. Used brake clean and cleaned it. Also, while I was cleaning it, made sure to use a flashlight. Make sure there was nothing in it whatsoever. There's a couple small little pieces of some black material. I'm not really sure what that was. But other than that, it was all good, so I'm going to reuse it. To put this in, put the spring on the witch's hat filter. Drop it down in there like so. Instead of going with grease, I decided to go with just an ever so slight amount of Never Sees. Now I'll take my Jim's tool and put it the rest of the way in. That's it. Don't take much torque on that. The O-ring does the sealing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.